It's time for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare, and today we're talking about rehab services for cancer patients and survivors. We're here today with Morgan Auernhammer. Thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
All right, so this is a big topic. What rehab services do you offer for cancer patients and survivors?
Yeah, it is a big topic. I'm glad that you mentioned that. It's becoming very prevalent that rehab is so important in the continuum of care for cancer patients. At Covenant, we do have specialized care in the rehab service line for cancer patients. We have occupational therapy for breast health. We do have treatment for lymphedema, different symptoms that might happen. And then we also have physical therapy for cancer patients and survivors as well, helping combat not only the breast health side of things, but also cancer-related fatigues and things like that.
A lot of different things.
Yes.
And you know, more than 90% of cancer patients need rehab, but less than 30% actually get that. Why is that?
You know, I think that it's just one of those things that is taking a little bit to catch on, unfortunately. Fortunately, now research is being done, and I do believe doctors and anybody else involved in a cancer patient's care is seeing the need for therapy. But I do believe that we are able to reach more and more patients and survivors through things like this, community services that we offer. But I do think that we're going to shift in the opposite direction, and more people are going to understand that rehab truly is a part of the cancer continuum of care.
Yeah, it's a huge part of it. So
Yes.
what are some common rehab services for breast cancer patients?
Yeah, we have, like what I mentioned before, occupational therapy for breast health. Now, oftentimes individuals are like, well, what exactly is that? So breast health services in our occupational therapy realm kind of entails helping breast cancer patients if they have any sort of like radiation fibrosis, other just physical effects of chemotherapy, and then also helping restore function and improving quality of life, decreasing pain for anybody that's had a breast surgery. But overall, it's basically improving the quality of life, restoring function, and actually helping too with swelling or lymphedema and things like that.
Yeah, speaking of, what are some of the symptoms that impact cancer patients and survivors that you can help with?
We can help with, like I said before, cancer-related fatigue. So a lot of times with a diagnosis of cancer, individuals are often having to rest from a treatment, whether it's a surgical intervention or chemo or radiation. So cancer-related fatigue, also helping with joint pain, muscle pain. Maybe that's coming from a medication they have been prescribed, and also helping improve function and overall health of a cancer patient. We help with all of those things. That's truly what the rehabs are there to do, is to help physically, which also in turn helps mentally and emotionally too.
So one of the services near and dear to you are the exercise classes for people with cancer and survivors. Tell us all about that.
Yes, they are near and dear to my heart. We do have a lot of fun. Of course, I'm a little biased, but we have a lot of fun. The class sizes are small. We have been running those classes for a few years now, and truthfully, it's a place where these individuals can go that helps them get back on their feet and helps them be able to do the normal activities of their daily lives much better. But in addition to helping on the physical side of things, which like I said, we keep the class sizes small, we make them doable for any skill level, but they help with the camaraderie for these individuals. They help connect people that have maybe gone through similar stories, and they kind of also assist in a supportive manner. They're able to learn things from one another in addition to having fun and getting fit.
Hey, it's all about fun too, and staying fit and healthy, so just a fantastic thing that you guys do there.
Yes, thanks.
Well, thanks so much for being here today. And if you at home would like any additional information on Covenant services for cancer patients, just go to the hot link section on WNEM.com.